Hello guys, welcome to Algo Insights. Today let's go through another lead code problem contains duplicate. Given an array of integers, find if the array contains any duplicates. Your function should return true if the value appears at least twice in the array, else it should return false. Okay, so if we go through the array and if we find the same value again somewhere in the array, we just return true. If all elements are distinct like this in example, we return false. I think the good data structure to use for this kind of problems is an hash set because an hash set stores always unique values. What we'll do is we'll create an hash set and iterate through the array and we keep adding elements in the hash set. And if we check that if the element contains already exist in the hash set, we just return false. Oh, sorry, we just return true. Else, if we go through the entire array and we did not find any duplicate element, false. So let's get into the editor. So the first thing would be an edge case. If an array doesn't contain anything, I mean, if the length of the array is null or it's empty, obviously the elements are distinct. I mean, an array doesn't have anything, so I'll return false. If or 0, false, because 0 elements, I mean, it's a distinct array. Else, what we are going to do is create an hash set, store integers, store it. We just go through the entire array now. And while we are going through the array, we'll check if the hash set. So we know that the hash set already contains the number. We true because the array contains duplicates. So in the first iteration, this condition will not be hit. But in the subsequent iterations, we'll check whether the hash set already contains the number. Last thing that we have to do is hash set dot add. Explain this in a second. And we go through the entire loop, that is the entire array, and we don't hit this condition. It's taken problem. So we take this example. One, in the first iteration, we'll check if the hash set contains nums of I, which doesn't. Okay, so we'll not return true. Come here and we add this number into the hash set. The second iteration, this condition doesn't get hit. In the third iteration, this condition will not hit. But in the fourth iteration, that's the final iteration in this array, the hash set already contains this number 1 and then will return true. Very basic, easy problem. See whether this works. Okay, it works. Submit it should be. Okay,